Hey guys, this is Cuber and I have a tutorial video today. So this isn't like a normal tutorial like how to solve. So you may have seen on my channel once how to make. Well, it's not that either. It's technically the opposite. How to disassemble and assemble any 3x3. This might not be for any 3x3, but if you have one, that's great. This might work for it. So I'm gonna do a GAN 3x3 and a big dollar store 3x3. So getting it. Yeah, if you have any of these, make sure this one isn't a tiny one. Make sure it's kind of big. So yeah, let's get started. Anyway, if the dollar store 3x3, I think it's easier. What you have to do is corner cut it just a little bit. Keep doing that until this edge pops out. Then you can rotate this back. And then technically the whole thing crumbles to pieces. Okay, now that thing's out of the way, now we can disassemble this 3x3. So what you have to do is either pull out a corner, or pull out an edge, either one works, and then just try mixing it up and try solving it. It's just impossible. And then you've got mostly the whole thing to do with. Now, let's assemble both of these cubes. Okay, anyways, with the dollar store 3x3, find the core. Find really any white edge piece. So like this one, put it in the correct spot like this. Next, find the edge piece that's across from it. This one. Then just try putting it in here like that. And then try finding the other two that are supposed to go in there. This one's the orange one, so that's good because we can put this orange and white piece in its correct slot. Like that. And then the red piece, which should be right here. Like this. And next you flip it over so you don't do any damage to the cross. Next, find any white corner piece like this one. This piece goes in there. Next, find another one like this one. This piece goes right here. This one doesn't have white on it. This one goes in the back. Doesn't have white on it. Doesn't have white on it. Not that one. Haha, this one. Next, we put it in here. Next, find all the middle layer edges or edges that don't have white or yellow on them. So, like this one goes on this slot. And this, no, not that one. This piece can go right on in this slot. Oops, this thing's breaking. Like this. And trying to speed the video up since this phone doesn't have much memory. And then this piece can just go in here. Okay, that's flipped. That's wrong. That. And final edge piece right here. You can put that piece in. So now you're going to do the same thing here. But if you've tried doing this yourself, you can notice once you put all the edges in, it's really hard to actually put all the corners in, surprisingly. So what we have to do is actually get all the corners in, which, yes, this is strange, but it works kind of well. Put all the corners in once you find them. Where's the other one? Here it is. This should make like this Minecraft face or something. This can rotate. Next, find where the piece goes and put a ramp. Make it kind of like a ramp right there. It's kind of hard for you to see. I'm gonna rotate this back sideways, kind of like that. And then do the same with all the other ones too. Yes, this is a very hard and strange procedure, like this, so all of them are ramp shaped. Next, you can just push some of them in, and then they'll go inside. Some of them will go in right away, some of them not so much, like that. So yeah, if you were to actually only put in the corners, then this is kind of what you'll experience. Gosh. Also, if you are kind of strong, did you hear that? You can rotate that in. But now for the GAN 3x3, or like a other speed cube 3x3, you do the same thing for the cross, so I'm not going to go over it that much. Though if you're kind of having trouble finding these edges, for a white, you can just roll your hands around and then one will just stick to your hand. Like this one is the green one. And this, next you can just roll around anywhere. Then here's the orange one. Yes, you can do this for like anything. It's pretty cool technique. So we need a white and something piece, roll around. Ooh, we got this one. And then, yeah, sometimes they will attract each other. However, this one's yellow, so nope. Yeah, if we move, this one goes in here. This one's yellow, so that didn't work out very well. Here's another one. And here is the last one. Then you can use really the same technique for the whole thing. If you get good at it, you'll spot these pieces more quickly. So it's a bit easier. And next we do the same thing here. However, you do actually do all the edges. Yep. Like that. Then you put all corners in, and boom, there you go. So I hope you liked this video. Sorry for it being a bit too long, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please smash that like button, and please subscribe. I have 20 subscribers, which is pretty good, but my goal is around 75 by the end of this year. If we do reach that, I'll do a special video for those 75 people and you guys, even if you aren't subscribed. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.